y'all. Hey, we're back down here at Magnolia's right here on 26th Avenue. Let's go check it out once again for dinner this time.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
So in case you don't want the buffet, they have menus, and you can have steak, seafood, and on this side, you got your good morning breakfast buffet, pancakes, biscuits, lunch, brunch buffet. How about that? You can get sandwiches and dinner. So we actually came in between breakfast and lunch, so you can get breakfast or lunch. All right, so Saturday brunch for adults is $15.99, but plus a beverage. And Sunday brunch for adults is $22.99 plus a beverage. But if you bring your kids, it's a little bit cheaper. These are the times that they have your breakfasts and lunches and brunches and when they switch over. But right now, what time is it?
1:30.
It's 1:30. They have it blocked off because they're switching something over. But we'll find out in a minute.
So guess what? You Cracker Barrel lovers. We're right here at Magnolia's, and I only got some cornbread dressing, and it's not Thursday, it's Sunday.
That's right.
And I got macaroni and cheese, broccoli casserole.
Collars?
Yep, thank you. And string beans. It is so delicious. And so they're switching over breakfast and lunch right now. So they're switching out, and I will go up there and film while Beatbox fixes him a plate. But I couldn't wait before they run out of dressing. Did I tell you I had macaroni and cheese too?
I think you did, but that does look delicious.
Okay.
You gonna let us know how it tastes?
Absolutely.
All right.
And now we're going to follow Beatbox. The race is on.
Tip of the day. Okay.
You want some macaroni salad? Look at that, delicious.
Hi. How are you? I'll take some beans and some collards and mashed potatoes and gravy.
I know, don't it look good?
Yeah.
Look, they got corn, stewed tomatoes. Is that stewed apples?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Let's see here. What is this right here?
Broccoli and squash.
Yeah, I'll take a little scoop of that.
I'm going to get some more turkey and dressing. And there's some fried okra.
Yeah.
Stewed beef.
Yeah, and I'll take some of this stewed beef. Now I just have to come back to get something else. My plate's running out.
Fried chicken. Fried shrimp.
All right. Thank you so much.
And can I get another plate of turkey and dressing and some gravy, please?
Okay, you got that?
And here's the desserts. Okay.
All right.
What do you want? Pecan pie?
He's going to get me a coconut.
And I'll take a pecan pie. They have plenty of seating for large families. There we go. Look at that. Delicious. And Beatbox, that's his plate. So the cook right there, he is the one that cooked all of your turkey and dressing and the turkey, collard greens, string beans, all the greens. One back there, this little fella, he did all the cooking. And it's delicious, isn't it? We are going to have a, what is it?
A big back Sunday.
Big back Sunday. So we won't be filming nothing else today because we're going to take a nap after this.
They're going to roll us back to the place.
Yeah.
For 2 adult meals, it comes out to $54.60 for all you can eat buffet here at the Magnolia. 26.
And if that's a little high for some of you, they do have a delicious menu breakfast.
Right.
And our friends got that. So they got off the menu and
What'd
their
they get?
bill
Oh, it was a
was
little bit cheaper.
$44. So
A little bit cheaper.
it depends on if you want to go as a big back or either a skinny weenie.
Well, that's a look right here at Magnolia's at 26 Restaurant and Conference Center. This time, we got lunch instead of breakfast. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, how about give us a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach so you can see things like this. Until next time, keep beaching, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.